Consider two distinct Active Directory forests. Forest A, containing domain controllers DC1 and DC2, and Forest B, containing DC3 and DC4. On DC1, you create a new user account named User1, and you also add a new custom attribute named Attribute1 to the Active Directory schema. The task is to identify which domain controllers these two items will replicate to.
The options are A, DC2 only, B, DC3 only, C, DC2 and DC3 only, D, DC3 and DC4 only, E, DC2, DC3 and DC4, or F, DC4 only. Think about how Active Directory partitions work. We have user accounts and schema modifications. Understanding the scope of replication depends on which partition stores the data. Domain controllers within a single forest communicate and synchronize information, but there are distinct boundaries when it comes to multiple forests. Consider the rules governing how data is distributed across these directory partitions. In my view, the correct answer for both the user account and the schema attribute is option A, DC2 only. User accounts are stored in the domain partition, which replicates solely to domain controllers within the same domain. Since DC1 and DC2 belong to the same domain, User1 only appears on DC2. Regarding the schema modification, schema partitions are replicated throughout the entire forest. Because DC2 is the only other domain controller in Forest A, it is the only one that receives these updates. DC3 and DC4 are in a different forest, and by default, there is no automatic replication of these partitions between forests. For your exam, remember that domain-specific data stays within the domain, and schema data is forest-wide, never crossing forest boundaries unless explicitly configured via specialized trust relationships, which are not implied here,